In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum to all. Welcome to Virtual Learning System of Pakistan International School Time. Dear students, today we are going to start unit number 8, Mixtures and Solutions. So you all open your books and come on page number 48. On page number 48, we have a unit number 8, Mixtures and Solutions. So first of all, we are going to read this page, Mixtures. When we make a glass of instant orange drink, we mix orange powder with water. The orange drink is really a mixture. A mixture is something you get when you mix two or more than two things together. They can be solids, liquid, or gases. Another definition of mixture is anything made by combining two or more different substances is called mixture. The best example is air. Air is the mixture of different gases. Next is some materials dissolve in liquid. Sometimes the solids, liquid, or gases which you mix are visible. However, sometimes the particles of the solids are so tiny that they seem to disappear. The same things happen when you mix sugar or salt in water. The sugar seems to disappear in the water. Where has it gone? It has not gone anywhere. The sugar has dissolved in water and you can test its presence by tasting the mixture. If anyone asks you what is a mixture, so you must know that a mixture is made of two or more types of atoms that are not chemically combined together. Mixtures can take many forms, solid, liquid, or gases. Any combination of solids, liquids, and gases called mixture. Solids, liquids, and gases can be combined to create a mixture. So keep it in mind, solid, liquids, and gases can be combined to create a mixture. Here you see mixtures of solids. All these images show you the mixtures of solids. Mixtures of liquid like juice, tea, and different chemicals. Mixtures of gases. So now let's discuss types of mixtures. We have two types of mixtures, homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. So what is the homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures? Here you see there are two major types of mixtures. Heterogeneous mixtures means different. Homogeneous mixtures means the same. You can see the different parts, phases of the mixture easily. Like if you make a fruit salad, so you can see all the fruits easily. Here, homogeneous mixtures, you cannot see the different parts or phases of the mixture, like orange juice. Here you see all these images show you the heterogeneous mixture, like chocolate chips, cookies, sandwich, fruit salad, pizza, or soda with ice. That one also. These are the heterogeneous mixture. Again, here you see heterogeneous mixture. In this kind of mixture, you can distinguish all the components easily. Like in salad, you can see all the vegetables easily. Fruit salad, you can see all the fruits easily. Milk and cereal, you can see cereal or milk easily. Here you see chickpeas easily. So heterogeneous mixtures, you can distinguish all the components easily. In homogeneous mixture, you cannot see the different parts or phases of the mixture. Like in tea, you can't see the different the combination of different things. Here you can't see. So these are the examples of homogeneous mixing. Next page, we are going to read solutions. When a substance such as sugar or salt is dissolved in water, it produces a clear mixture, which is called a solution. A solution is made up of a solute and a solvent. The substance that dissolves is called the solute, and the liquid is dissolved in it's called the solvent. And water is known as the universal solvent. Keep it in mind, because water dissolve lot of things. So that's why we call water is known as a universal solvent. Do all solids dissolve in liquids? Some solids dissolve in liquid and some do not. If a substance does not dissolve in another substance, it is called insoluble. Like sand is insoluble in water. Can you think of some more examples of substances which are insoluble in water? So if you observe, lot of things are not dissolved in water. So these type of things called insoluble things. Does gas dissolve in liquid? Some gases also dissolve in water. Living things which live in water like fish are able to breathe in water because oxygen dissolves in water. And the gas is fizzy drinks is called carbon dioxide. It stays in the bottle only under pressure. When the top is taken off, the pressure is released and the gas escapes as tiny bubbles. So a fizzy drink is a mixture of carbon dioxide in liquid. Let's discuss. Solutions. A solution is a special type of mixture. A solution is a homogeneous mixture that combines a solute and a solvent. A solution involves one substance dissolving in another substance, which is usually a liquid. This is the definition of solutions. If anyone asks you, you must be know that a solution is a special type of mixture, and a solution is a homogeneous mixture that combines a solute and a solvent. Next is a solution is a special type of mixture. A solution is homogeneous mixture that combines a solute and a mixed solvent. How? See, solute, the solid part that gets dissolved like salt or sugar called solute. And this liquid part that does the dissolving is called water. So here we say salt is a solute and water is a solvent. And when the solute and solvent mix together, they make a solution. Here you see, when the salt is dissolved in a liquid or water, so they make a solution. And this solution is called a homogeneous mixture. Because when you dissolve salt in a water, after some time salt disappears. And salt is completely dissolved in water. Here you see how to make a solution. Solute plus solvent is equal solution. Here is the salt. When the salt is dissolved in water, so they make a solution. And this solution called salt solution. And if you put the sugar in water, so they also make a solution, and we call this is a sugar solution. Here you see, so the solution, this one is called solute, and the solute is dissolved in a solvent, and then they make a solution. Again, this one show you these. This is the solute, and that one is the solvent. And the solute dissolved in a solvent to make a solution. Here again you see This is a salt solution. You see, when we mix, the number of salt particles is the same, but the volume in which they are contained has increased. See, if we dissolve salt like in solute form in a water, so this is a salt solution, and when this solution we can put another container. So this one is also the number of salt particles is the same, but the volume in which they are contained has increased. Here you see, if you put the salt in water to make a salt solution. Here the solute in liquid form. When the solute in liquid form, so this is a solute and that one is the solvent. Here you see, solute is called salt, solvent is water, and when they mix to make salt solution or salt water. Again here you see, this one show you the form of solute. That one is a water as a solvent, and when you mix together to make solution. Here you see, here solute in liquid form. So when this liquid form solute you put in a solvent to make solution. These all are the liquid solute. Again you see, this is the form of liquid solute. Solute in gas form. See, this image show you solute in gas form, and the gas in fizzy drink is called carbon dioxide. So you see the bubbles? These bubbles show you the gas is dissolved in water. Here again you see the bubbles. These bubbles show you the gas in fizzy drink is present. And which gas is present? Carbon dioxide. This image also show you the gas in fizzy drink is there, and this gas is called carbon dioxide. So the gas in fizzy drink is called carbon dioxide. And a fizzy drink is a mixture of carbon dioxide in liquid. So here the gas is present as a solute form. Again here you see, just recall it how to make a solution. Solute plus solvent mix together and they make a solution. Again here you see, a solution is a mixture formed when one or more solute dissolve in a solvent. This is a water, that one is sugar, and when it mixed together to make a sugar solution. Now we are going to do the exercise. So you all come on page number 50. First of all, exercise number A, column A contains definitions of the items and column B contains these terms. Match column A with column B and write the correct letter in the blank given below. Number 1, the substance which is dissolved to make a solution. Answer is the substance which is dissolved to make a solution. First of all, here I show you all the answers after you select it. So the substance which is dissolved to make a solution called solute. So correct answer is solute. The substance which is dissolved to make a solution called solute. So number 1 answer is number B, solute. Number 2, a clear, transparent and homogeneous mixture of two or more than two things called solution. A clear, transparent and homogeneous mixture of two or more than two things called solution. So number 2 answer is D, means solution. Number 3, a substance which can dissolve into another substance is called soluble. Those substance which can dissolve into another substance is called soluble. So number 3 answer is number C, soluble. Number 4, a substance in which the solute is dissolved to make a solution is called solvent. Number A. So number 4 answer is number A, solvent. Again we repeat, the substance which is dissolved to make a solution called solute. A clear, transparent and homogeneous mixture of two or more than two things called solution. A substance which can dissolve into another substance called soluble. And a substance in which the solute is dissolved to make a solution called solvent. So this is your exercise number A. You must be complete on your book. Exercise number B, fill in the blanks. A solution is a transparent and dash mixture. So which one is the answer? A solution is a transparent and clear mixture. Again we repeat, a solution is a transparent and clear mixture. Number 2, solute plus dash to make is equal to solution. Solute plus solvent is equal to solution. So number 1, a solution is a transparent and clear mixture. Solute plus solvent is equal to solution. Number 3, fish can breathe in water because dash gas dissolve in water. Which gas dissolve in water? Oxygen. Fish can breathe in water because oxygen gas dissolve in water. Number 4, if a substance dissolves in another substance, it is called soluble. If a substance dissolves in another substance, it is called soluble. Like salt, sugar, easily dissolve in water, so salt and sugar called soluble. And if a substance does not dissolve in another substance, it is called insoluble, like sand. So if a substance does not dissolve in another substance, it is called insoluble. Again we repeat, a solution is a transparent and clear mixture. Solute plus solvent is equal to solution. Fish can breathe in water because oxygen gas dissolve in water. If a substance dissolves in another substance, it is called soluble. And if a substance does not dissolve in another substance, it is called insoluble. Come on, exercise number C. Circle, underline the correct answer. The first one is, the substance which is dissolved to make a solution is called solvent, solution, or solute. The substance which is dissolved to make a solution is called solute. Number 2, the substance in which the solution is dissolved to make a solution is called solution, solute, or solvent. So here is the correct answer is solvent. The substance in which the solution is dissolved to make a solution is called solvent. Number 3, a clear and transparent mixture of two or more than two things is called solvent. solute or solution? So the correct answer is solution. A clear and transparent mixture of two or more than two things is called solution. Number 4. Which one of the following gases is dissolved in fizzy drink? Oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. Which one of the following gases is dissolved in fizzy drink? Carbon dioxide is dissolved in fizzy drink. Number 5. Which of the following is soluble in water? Salt, sugar, chalk, or flour? Salt is soluble in water. So correct answer is salt. In first one, the substance which is dissolved to make a solution is called solute. The substance in which the solution is dissolved to make a solution is called solvent. A clear and transparent mixture of two or more than two things is called solution. Which one of the following gases is dissolved in fizzy drink called carbon dioxide? And which of the following is soluble in water called salt is soluble in water? Next is answer the following questions. Define the following terms giving example of each. First of all, solute. So here is the definition of solute. A substance which is dissolved in another substance to make a solution. Example is salt and sugar and plus orange powder. A substance which is dissolved in another substance to make a solution. Best example is salt, sugar, and orange powder. Number B, solvent. The definition of solvent is a liquid substance capable of dissolving other substance like water. A liquid substance capable of dissolving other substance called water. Number C, soluble. What is the definition of soluble? A substance that dissolves in a solvent. A substance that dissolves in a solvent. Example, salt, sugar, and orange powder. And what is the definition of insoluble? A substance that does not dissolve in a solvent. A substance that does not dissolve in a solvent called insoluble, like sand, chalk powder. Next is question number 2. Explain what type of mixture a solution is. A solution is a homogeneous mixture. Question number 2 is explain what type of mixture a solution is. A solution is a homogeneous mixture. Question number 3, name at least 3 common solutions you can use in your daily life. Answer is orange drink, fizzy drink, and lemon drink. Orange drink, fizzy drink, and lemon drink. Question number 4, is a solute always in solid form? Support your answer with example from your daily life. So answer is no, a solute can be a gas and liquid also. For example, in fizzy drink, carbon dioxide is solute in gas form. No, a solute can be a gas and liquid also. For example, in fizzy drink, carbon dioxide is solute in gas form. Question number 5. Do you know why carbon dioxide is added in fizzy drinks? It is added in fizzy drinks to improve the taste of the drink, and it also fixes the stomach upset also. Question number 5. Do you know why carbon dioxide is added in fizzy drink? It is added in fizzy drinks to improve the taste of the drink. It fixes the stomach upset also. Dear students, I hope you understand this chapter very well. These all your exercises you must be write in your science notebook, and plus some exercises are present on your book on page number 50. So you must be complete page number 50 and 51. Okay dear students, best of luck.